దాట్లేదు అంటే then go to file and then options and then interface. There is an option you can see display contextual tab on selection. If it is off, if you select, it's not coming. See, it's coming, a contextual tab is coming. No. Go to options, interface. What we have to do, display contextual tab on selection. You have to make sure this option is on. It's easy way to start any modify comments in Revit. They select the object, automatically what happen, modify toolbar will be highlight. Okay, that is the toolbar you have to memorize. And you can do mirror, like whatever you want to do, you can repeat. So we don't need to use comments also. Okay, or no need to click on modify tab to access the modify comments. It's an easy way to open modify tools. Okay, options, interface, here display the contextual. This is a contextual tab now. When we select, it will show the contextual tools. Clear? Fine. Next command, we have rotate pending, trim pending, array pending. Take trim and extend. Actually here not trim. In Revit, trim and extend both are same. Trim means it will trim. Extend means the line will extend up to the line. Yes or no? EX enter, TR enter. Here both same. TR extend to corners. So here trim or extend, how many types we have seen? First one what am I? Trim or extend to corner. Second one, trim or extend single element. Third one, trim or extend multiple element. There are three types. Forget about AutoCAD trim. The behavior, the process is different. Meaning is same. Procedure is अलग आता है, different है. And trim or extend to corner by default comment TR. Instantly, actually it's 2024 now. Trim or extend single element TS multiple TM. Okay, I forgot TS. You can explain your own. TR, TS, TM. Note చేసుకోండి, note down. Trimmer extend to corner trimmer extend single element trimmer extend multiple element. Trimmer extend to corner, trimmer extend single element, trimmer extend multiple element. This is the default command TR. Here what I given? TS. Here what I given? Same command will operate trim, same command will also operate as the extend. So just forget about CAD. Now you can see TR like that.
Sir, I am not visible to the screen, sir.
Why Kamal?
Your screen share is not visible to me, sir.
What about you, Gopi? Harka?
Visible, sir.
Kamal and check internet.
Okay, sir. I will rejoin the class, sir, once a minute.
Now there is a wall. I will do like this. I just create some walls like this. First one, trim or extend to corner, which creates only corners. Which creates only which trims or extend to make a corner. It trims or extend to make corners. Now tell me, if I click this wall, this wall, what happen? Trim or extend? Extend. This wall, extend. This wall, extend. This wall, extend. If I click this wall, which extend, which trim? There are two walls, horizontal wall, vertical wall. Yes, that's it. Wait, vertical wall will extend, horizontal wall will be trim. That's what you have to say. Explain. Okay, but I want to only extend, I don't want to trim this one. So, corner will not be useful now. Okay, useful, huh? I want to extend this wall here, this wall here, this wall here. But I don't want to trim horizontal wall. Which wall? Horizontal. If you do trim like this, it will trim. It will do like this, it will do. If you do like this, it will do. If you do like this, it will do. But I don't want like that. I want to only trim or extend. Here we have two more options. Trim or extend single element, trim or extend multiple element. Now I want to extend these three elements. That is single or multiple. If you use single like this, first select source element and then select the element. Again this one, this one, this one, this one. I want to extend all these three to this main element. So which one you use? Multiple. There is no multiple alignment. Multiple trim or extend, just like multiple alignment. Here we have a separate multiple trim or extend. Select this one, click this one, this one, this one. Now I want to select this wall. Now click outside, select this one, this one, this one, this one. Click outside. Now I want to select which wall? This wall. Click this one, this one, this one, this one. Now sir, I want to remove all these three walls up to this wall. So this one, select this one, click left side or right side. If you click left side, right side will trim. If you which side you want, that side you have to trim. You have to click. Which side you want? So right side you have to click. Understanding now? Like this. I want to remove this side. Click this one. Which side you have to click? Understand now? That is trim or extend single element. Trim or extend. Now I want to remove this middle part. Now which side you have to select? Which is the source element now? I want to remove from this wall to this wall, this middle part I want to trim. Then first what is the main reference? This wall or this wall? Wall 1, wall 2, wall 1. Now which side you want to click? Left or right? Right, like this one. Right side. We can't select more than one source. I want to trim. So that was split element. First split this walls. Now multiple. So I just now told you, forget about AutoCAD. Okay. Understand now? That's what we have to do. Where? Last class yesterday. We have to split that. We can't directly trim. Clear? And the single, multiple and this one. There is a wall here. There is a wall here. I want to trim, extend this wall. I don't want to trim. TS. I want to trim this wall. TR. Which side you want? Click that side. Okay? You have to click on the side that you want. If you have I want to trim or extend all this wall up to this wall. So TM. Select however you want. Okay? That is your trim and extend single element, multiple element, and trim and extend to corners. Whenever you want corner, use this one. Whenever you want only one element to extend or trim, use this one or this one. One at a time this one, multiple at a time this one. Okay, just simply what you have to do ante select the take the command, select the Select the reference that you want to trim or extend boundary. Select the reference. Which reference? To vertical or horizontal? Vertical. Select the reference. Now click on the side you want to click on the walls you want to trim or extend. But which side we have to click on it? Which the side we want. Okay, just click on the element. It will trim or extend. But we have to click on the side we need. Opposite side will be trim. Okay. Sometimes it has to do like this. We have to split and trim. There is a wall. You can place a door. But I don't want this wall. So SL split TR trim. No sir, I want upper. It's like a opening cut. Then don't trim. Make a separate opening. Because opening we can't see from the top. So you have to make a opening here. Okay. So there, for that we have different ways. We have a opening command, wall opening command is there, or we have opening components are there, or we have different methods are there to make openings on the walls. Okay, that we don't need to split. Some people do like this. They split this part and they will do like this. Okay, I want some arch cut. Okay, this will not work. Okay, clear? Trimmer extend. So trimmer extend to corner, trimmer extend single element, trimmer extend multiple element. Next command. Rotate. Rotate command RO. To rotate objects around center point. This center point also called center of rotation. Center of rotation. Center point or center of. In AutoCAD, it's center point. Here it is the pronunciation as the center of rotation. It asks you to specify center of rotation. Around that object will be rotated. Okay, I want to rotate a chair around the table. So table point is the center of rotation. I want to rotate a column around the wall, circular wall, floor like that. So we have to specify center point wherever we want to do, and then around that center point object will be rotate. But normally we have space bar to rotate object on its own axis. On its own axis. తన చుట్టూ తిరుగుతుంది. Okay, but the point where it is the base point where I want to rotate on its own axis, but I don't want base point here on this leg. I want this leg. Then we have to use rotate command. Okay, to rotate our in 2D we have doors, windows, flip. Wall is there, interior, exterior. It will flip. Spacebar to flip or rotate on its own axis. So normally we have a direct option. Use spacebar to rotate on its own axis. But sir, I want to specify a particular base point. Then what we have to do ante we have to use rotate command. There we have to specify the center of rotation. Around the center point object will be rotate. Now we'll do some example. Now see, చూడండమ్మా. Okay, now I don't want this. There is a component CM load family where you find a round table, dining table, round dining table. Where you have to go? Which folder? You didn't study. I told you daily read one group. It's been our 5 days. 5 groups you should complete. Without seeing what are the names you have to tell me on Friday. I will ask all. Otherwise, For 1 week, no class, only study. Go to furniture and చూడకుండా చెప్పాలి టక్ మన tables. It's given family, you don't need to download. In other softwares you have to download, Revit give you, but you still. Huh? And which table? This is this one, 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 this one. It's okay, right? One second, Amma. I think that is okay. Hello? Okay. So 900 mm diameter. That means 900 mm means? That means how many feet? 3 feet. So 3 feet means 2 sitting? 2 sitting table. 5 sitting istara? 10 sitting istava? 2 sitting or 3 sitting. 3 sitting means 1 chair here, 1 chair here, 1 chair here. Okay? Here we have duplicate. Oh, we have 1.5 meters. Maybe it is 4 sitting or 5 sitting. We have 2 meters diameter. Nice. Rotate దీన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. దీన్ని రొటేట్ చేయకూడదు. ఓకే, టేక్ ఎన్ కాంపోనెంట్ లోడ్ ఫ్యామిలీ go back, go to sitting. That one, this one. So this is your space bar. One, you want to rotate command. This kind of alignment is there in Revit. A base point ki perpendicular ga. See? Revit has a feature like this. Fine, no? Place one chair and the do the rotate command. Rotate with copy, not rotate. Rotate with copy. Rotate అయితే మరి chair కూడా కావాలంటే polar కొడతారా? Yes, you can do, but also we can do the rotate with copy. So this is also I don't want, sir. I want to make a 3 sitting. Now you can see first this is the chair. So it's a interviewer, 1 person, 4 people sitting there like that, 0 to 180, and this is a single sitting. Make like that also, or 4 sitting, one student. Okay, 12th pass, final interview. Kuchunda 12th pass movie, final interview like that. 12th fail. So select the object, take a rotate command. Okay, here there is a, when you select object, take rotate command in Revit, there is this line will come. This is called center of rotation. Where is the center point, ma? Chair point. So take this point, hold left key, release wherever you want. Hold, release. Hold, don't release the left key. Just you have to place, or click on place, center of rotation option for place. We don't need to hold. We don't need to hold the left key. Just you have to left click wherever you want. There is an option, you can see place option, or you have to drag manually. If you release now, it will place. If you click on place, we don't need to hold the left key, and click on wherever you want to. First select the object, RO, specify center of rotation. I specified, and then turn on the copy, specify the angle. How much angle? 120, enter. Now select the object, rotate, place, click on the object point that you want to take reference, and then copy. How much angle? Done. Well, Select object, rotate, place. If you click on default, it will go to automatically that previous place. Place. Every 30 degrees. 45. Select, rotate, copy, place. How much angle? 45. You can do like this also. Select, rotate. I'll drag manually. Copy on. I'll specify reference like this. How much angle? 45. Enter. I don't use option bar. I operate on the hand always. Okay. Select this both. Rotate. Place. Already copies on. This reference. How much you want? That is 45. This is 45. That is 90. 90. What select chesa? Select DM. DM. Understand now? Select object, take a rotate, place, just how much angle? 90. Or you can use simply angle option in the option bar. Okay, you have to understand the procedure. Select object, tell me. Now what to do? I want to rotate this object 90 degrees. Tell me. Click on place, specify the point, and then turn on the copy, and then angle. How much you want? 90. Okay. Select this one, this one, this one. Rotate. Place. 45. Enter. How to 3D. Okay na? Will you do today? ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తారు ఈరోజు రొటేట్ కమాండ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అరే వద్దు అరే కూడా చేయొచ్చు బట్ కమాండ్ విల్ బి ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఓకే కొంచెం డిస్టెన్స్ అడ్జస్ట్ చేయండి now that is our rotate command to rotate objects around point that specify the point wherever wall there is a column architecture column load family I'll go to column folder I have a round column okay I'll place somewhere here the column 150 mm diameter like this I'll do polar but I practice with rotate select every 30 degrees rotate place that point if you can't find you have to go SC snap center and then copy how much angle 30 select both rotate place SC click on the wall how much ma this is that 60 this is 60 angle is 60 select all rotate this is 30 60 90 120 place SC click how much angle 120 again this all combination 120 again SC you have to know usage of the power snap now you have 10 feet this will be the 3 feet this column will be delete this columns are SA level 1 level 2 minus 7 this is sitting there is a island will come under the setting okay we'll make a floor there is a floor command SC SNI pick line or maybe 2 feet no 3 feet I give more gap now tell me SL split split. Delete this lines. Now take a boundary line, draw from here to here, here to here, approximately, and floor height 3 feet. That thickness you can change like this. Split. This is the entrance. This wall, make it as a 6 feet. Like this. And in the level 2, on the top of the wall, make a roof. Level 1, take a column SC, this is middle, make bada column. Select attach to the roof, and make a base. This is like a gazebo. Gazebos are there, na? Like that you can make simple gazebo. Okay, and make a floor, make some steps, entrance, 4 steps to access the gazebo in the park. Directly we can't go through, na? There will be a plinth height. So all will be done once you know. First rotate command. Okay, and using of 4 snaps also important. Practice this option, you will understand every example. Just you have to know operation steps. Clear? Rotate command. Select object, RO, specify center of rotation. How you specify, Amma? Click on the place option, drag it manually. Sometimes you have to click on place, specify SC, and click on the element. The center of rotation will go to the center of the element you have selected. And then turn on copy angle. You can specify angle or give a base point and angle. Okay. Sometimes there is a walls like this. You can also use rotate command such a way. I want this wall 30 degrees like this. RO rotate, place 30. Turn off copy. RO rotate, TR. Here what happened means, see, RO rotate, turn off. Design is on. If design is off, automatically it will extend. If you don't want to extend, turn on the design. Understand? Like this. And door. SA. Level 1 to level 2. Okay, clear? Rotate. Spacebar meant to rotate on its own axis. Rotate command to specify center of rotation, and then you can specify angle manually, not exactly perpendicular angles. Rotate. Next one, last one. Array. AR. Tell me how many arrays we have in AutoCAD? How many arrays? Voice రావట్లే. AutoCAD లో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? Which are? That's it. 3 array. Rectangular array, path array, polar array. Here only 2 arrays, linear array and radial array. రాసుకోండి array. 2 array objects. 2 array elements. సో linear procedure ఒకటి, radial procedure ఒకటి అంతే. Once you understand that procedure, everything will be same. Any object you do array, same procedure. Linear and radial. Now done first one, linear array. Both are same, array command only. Linear means two array horizontally or vertically, not rectangle. Only one direction, not both the xy direction. We can do that. Rectangle and x direction, y direction, x direction we can do number of rows, number of columns. But linear means not like that. Only one direction. That can be horizontal, vertical, incline, however you want. Now I'll make the set with some example like. I need to delete that one. I want to make one classroom. We'll do the classroom for array. So first I want a chair, component, load family, go back, table. Which one, ma? You make some conference room with chairs. Now I'll make a classroom, table and chair set. Okay. Very big. Fine. Office. More families. I think it's good. Chair student is there, na? Automatically. It's a lecture, workshops like that, seminar halls. It's a labs, libraries, dining table, table round, cafeteria. This is cave small tables. Two sit, three sit. Coffee table, teapot, coffee with a glass. Conference rooms. Conference room only sitting with the chairs. This one table, drafting table, labs. You making a college or school. There is a lab. What you want to place? These families you can place there. You don't need to create some. You have the families. Use them. Understand them. Nightstand, rectangle, round. Okay. Where is it? Student. How? Same. Okay. Now what to do? Select the total object. Take AR. Here there are two icons. This is linear icon. This is radial icon. Select linear settings. Select radial settings. Okay, first one linear. In there, first option is group and associative is on. Okay, group and associative. Associative means what? It behaves like array. It will not explode. It will not explode. Group means in AutoCAD it is blocks. In Revit it is groups. So now what is blocks in AutoCAD? What are components in SketchUp? Same groups in Revit. So what are the blocks? Single component. When we change one block, all blocks will change. It will store within our project. We can transfer between projects. If you want to do that behavior in Revit, what we have to do? Separately we have an option called groups. When we array, that object behaves like a group. For example, we made like this. After array, I don't want that chair, I want some classes chair. It's a group. So you can go inside a group, change. All array will be changed. So this set behaves like a group and associative. If you don't want, it will explode. You want to explode manually? Then here there is no explode command. It's a group now, you have to do ungroup. You have to do ungroup when it is a un. So I don't touch this option. That's the meaning of group and associative. Next one, there is the option move to second, move to last. You want to specify second setter, you have to specify last setter. Second means click on this one, specify second distance. Last means click on this one, specify the last. So what you want? For this example, last. Select last. Manually do it up to here. Okay, that set, you can see that boundary, that chair set. That shade set will be the rectangle area. Now this is fine. Click. How many will fit? That many. So we don't need number also. Escape. Select. You can edit anytime. Select this both. Do the ungroup. It will explode. UG ungroup. So you want to ungroup or you want to give count? 10, 15, 15 DI, DI. ठीक है. Select SA. This set is selected. Again do the array. Again do linear. This time second we will do. This time we will do second. This is the first point. I will do around this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit. Okay, kada? Now how many you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the. If you do 8 like this, 7. Fine now. Now there is a door, one here and one compulsory na. Like this. Room you can increase. Okay. So like this. This is our L. Understand? Okay, here put some blackboard. So blackboard, tell me how to place the blackboard. Component command, load family. Where you have to go? Specialty equipment. Here you have classroom library, equipment drop down screen, drop down screen, a notice board, a whiteboard, this two control, this two will see. First one whiteboard I'll place here. और एक है ना, ये क्या? ऐसे 3D, which is whiteboard, blackboard. I select this one, delete. Select this one. Level 1, edit type. How much height it is? 3 feet. That is this height. Object height, base height to underside, offset, no, maybe that one. It is height to underside, bottom, 3 feet. The pronunciation should be understood. Clear? And make some dias here. Let's say share small dias in the classroom. Understand? W is an Windows. Actually, this is not required. Make equal. చూడండి space bar. You want inside this space. It should be open outside. It's a outside, building outside. You can see maybe forest. Okay, it is a separate balcony, lobby, everything. Chesara? Now next one, radial array. Same what I do, select this one, copy, paste. Select the object, tell me. I'll explain both again. Select the object AR, second array, last array. Okay, AR. Now take a radial option. Group and associative is on. Now take a center point, place. Just like rotate command. Now second specify angle, last specify angle. So just forget specify last 360, enter. Select how many you want, 12. Equally distribute. Select, rotate, place. No, select array radial place, same rotate steps only. Then we have to specify second or last. I'll specify last here again. I'll do like this 5. It will fit within that one. Go to component, load family, take furniture, setting, select this one, replace with that chair. Okay, second array or last array. Okay, now this is the second angle, count every third angle it will array, every 20, every 30, like that. For example, yeah, one more example for you. There is a 20 feet. So S cell split, this one, delete. This one I'll make 60 degrees. Like 60, remaining how much we have? 60. Say this is a wall with 12 inch thickness. Select this wall, it will be 3 feet height, 5 feet height. This wall will be 10 feet. I want a columns on this wall, like vertical columns. Okay, on the wall, it has to start from base 5 feet and up to the roof or slab. Okay, so what I do, I'll place a column 150 mm diameter. I'll place here 3D. Select this column. Base offset is 5 feet up to the level 2. Now what we do, we'll array this one. It is starting actually from 5 feet. The cutoff level is 4 feet only. Then we have to change view range to 6 feet. Then you can see. Now select, this is the first angle and this is the last. Select object, polar, place SC. Take a last, specify last angle around here. Give the count 10, 12. Select all. Okay, I want to do this exact exercise today. When it is array, select all will select ungroup. Select SA ungroup or comment UG. It will behave like a individual. Or select, click on edit group. Select, click on edit group because 2 arrays inside we made. Select this chair, replace with this chair. Finish. All will be change. So this array behaves like a group. Delete this chair, place. All will be delete. Go to component. See now, go to component, load family. We can replace or can place it. I'll go to enter age. Where ma? Enter age. I'll take female Cynthia. I'll place female here. I'll go to load family again. I'll take a notebook computer. I'll place here. That select this chair. What is the table height ma? This one. Copy. Select this notebook base height. That one. Yes or no? It has to place on the table. Finish. Now I'll place one camera inside level 1. I'll make a floor ceiling plan. I'll make a ceiling and component load family lighting. I'll go to architecture internal lights. I'll go to residential lights. No, troffer lights rectangle. Align to grid. CO copy. Now array linear second every two grid lines. 1 2 3 4. How many? 4. Select all array 4. Select all ungroup. Select all ungroup. Save. Now I have a camera view 3D view 1. I'll don't do here. I'll do with landscape. Simple instant. What happened again? Something is fishy. The element is gone. Okay, I will do it later. I'll simply do the textures. No, it will stuck, but okay, I have graphics. So if you want to ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಬೇಕು ತಿರುಗ್ಯಾರ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲ್గా they are facing this side only. It's a 3-dimensional object. So it is rotating on our side. If you do walk back, look, right click, increase the focal length, and so go to view, take the render, medium, printer, 300, interior sun and artificial, sun settings still, particular, okay, it's okay, render. Landscape on is the lighting compressor. Now it will show the lighting. That's why I'm showing doing this. We can see the lighting also. Let's make a closed room, ceiling and floor. Oh yeah. But Revit doesn't need any other software. We have default render. So total level of 5 levels. Level 1 we are at. See? File size తక్కువ ఒక 30 MB 40 MB. Components ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి కదా. Around that. Modify comments, revise today everything. Okay? Complete modify comments. One will last time. This time showing complete overview. Where you can apply, how you can apply. You have this recording, I will give it to you personally. You can see the recording, you can make same. See, lights are glowing na? Out of budget, huh? It's a medium setting. You can do high setting also. It will take around 1 hour render. Oh, not just 1 hour, with 3-4 hours. It's 16 GB graphic card. 4070 16 GB. NVIDIA 4060 Ti 16 GB graphic card with 2 TB SSD with 32 GB RAM with i7 12th generation. i9 అది అంటే అంత 50,000 బట్ నాకు ఇది సరిపోద్దని తీసుకున్నాను. సిస్టమ్ కూడా మార్చలేదు. ఇప్పుడు గ్రాఫిక్ కార్డు 60,000, ఇది పక్కన పడేసి కొత్త తీసుకుంటావా? అండర్స్టాండ్? we can't add, we have to replace. No, not possible na. ఓకే గ్రాఫిక్ కార్డ్ లేకుండా ఇప్పుడు తీసుకుని తర్వాత యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, దట్స్ ఆప్షన్. We can buy right now same setup without graphic card. It's a 40,000 budget. I don't want graphic card, just 2 GB dedicated graphic card is enough. Future I will add, so that kind of setup you should buy now. Okay, 1.2 మనకి 1.2, మీరు వెళ్తే 1.6. మనం అరౌండ్ 10-20 సిస్టమ్స్ కొన్నాం కాబట్టి అవుట్ ఆఫ్లో మొత్తానికి ఓవరాల్ ఈ కీబోర్డ్ ఫ్రీ ఇచ్చాడు. మీకైతే ఈ కీబోర్డ్ 3,500 మెకానికల్ కీబోర్డ్, కొంచెం బాగుంటుంది. ఇది ఒక్కొక్క కీని మనం తీసి క్లీన్ చేసుకుని మళ్ళీ ఫిట్ చేయొచ్చు, బాగుంటుంది. సో సి దట్స్ ద అవుట్పుట్ ఆఫ్ అండర్. అండర్ అయినంత వరకు వీ హ్యావ్ టు వెయిట్ until this progress happen. In that laptop rotate it. Okay, design such a way how you want modeling and floor tile, wall finish, floor finish, colors, paints, marbles only, and it looks nicer. Small classroom. Okay, now this one you can do save to project, adjust exposure. We can add and save to project. Export if you want to export. My computer, desktop, practice, export. Show model, show render. Show model, show render. Close it. We have that renders here. Okay. Do practice.